Healthcare is so much more than what takes place between the four walls of our clinic. At Lakewood Health System, we believe it's time to start thinking differently about healthcare. Certainly, we understand that hospitals and healthcare systems are here to care for the sick. It's a large part of what we do. But what if? What if we also focused on keeping people healthy to begin with? Wouldn't that be amazing? In January of 2020, on one of the coldest days of the year, a new way of thinking about healthcare arrived in Staples, Minnesota. An indoor growing pod capable of producing healthy, nutritious vegetables year-round, even here in the blustery temperatures of Minnesota, found its way into our community. A true community collaboration working together to do great things, the Sota Grown Initiative was born. It is a part of a nationwide research project where a fully enclosed hydroponic container, paired with world-class technology, now makes it possible to supply local, year-round, fresh, sustainably grown foods right here in Staples, Minnesota. Working in cooperation with Todd Wadena Electric Cooperative, Central Lakes College, Great River Energy, and the Electric Power Research Institute, Lakewood Engage and our food access initiatives ensure this healthy, year-round produce gets into the hands of those who need it most, our patients, employees, and the community. Then, COVID-19 had other plans. Yes, it delayed the start of our project, but much more than that, it made things especially difficult for so many in our local communities. Unemployment, social distancing, and isolation, even the loss of loved ones, took a remarkable toll. Were we down? Yes. Were we out? Absolutely not. After reaching its final destination at Central Lakes College in Staples, our partners rolled up their sleeves and went to work. It certainly wasn't without bumps in the road, but in July of 2020, our first crop of kale was finally planted. Seed by seed, row by row, and plant by plant, our journey began. 1 month later, our first crop of fresh kale was harvested. And now, bins of fresh produce leave the Sota Grown Pod every week to help fuel local families. Lakewood Engage distributes this healthy, nutritious plant through several of our food access programs across our communities. Lakewood's food pharmacy, fresh delivered, and employee wellness programs all proved Sota Grown to be an outstanding way to get fresh vegetables in the hands of those who need it. Okay. So why kale, and how the heck do you prepare it? Well, the first 2 years of this project require us to grow this leafy green. And although this veggie sometimes gets a bad rap, we made the very best of this situation. I mean, we love a good salad as much as the next person. But if you're going to distribute this much kale, you better have some creative ways to prepare it, right? Never fear, Lakewood provided recipients with multiple recipe ideas and simple techniques to jazz up this leafy green. Raw, sliced, diced, or cooked, you name it. There's always a delicious way to prepare this veggie. One of Lakewood's new food access programs this year was Meals at COVID Positive. We partnered with our friends at the Hilltop Regional Kitchen in Eagle Bend, Minnesota, to help keep families safe and at home. This program provided patients who tested positive for COVID and their families with fresh frozen meals for safe healing. The meals are free to patients, designed by a registered dietitian, and prepared at Hilltop Regional Kitchen. The last 3 months of 2020, our Meals at COVID Positive program delivered a total of 10,738 meals to 498 adults and 269 children. Let's just say that fresh kale found its way into more than one of these delicious, healthy meal options. Truly an amazing accomplishment. Lakewood staff and patients can also enjoy the benefits of this healthy vegetable, as it is provided as a regular offering on the salad bar at the Lakewood Hospital Grill. In 2020, Lakewood connected more than 1,300 children, seniors, low-income individuals, and patients with chronic health conditions to one of its 7 programs designed to address food insecurity. We are so proud of this work, but we recognize that more needs to be done. As I said in the beginning, Healthcare is so much more than what takes place between the four walls of our clinic. We are fortunate to collaborate with so many wonderful community partners who help make this work possible. The Sota Grown Initiative is a shining example of this. At the end of the day, our health and the health of our loved ones is all that matters. It is an honor to play a role in preventing sickness and fueling healthy families across the communities we serve. People helping people. Isn't this the way healthcare should be?